Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are throwing ChatGPT-4 into the ring twice. So first I will ask it to analyze a real dataset in Python. Then I'll also ask it to do the same thing in R. So the same data, the same tests. So who will do it better? That's the question that we need to ask ourselves, Python or R. So let's find out. I am using a data here. I have a data set called the employee performance data set in a CSV file here. It has around 100 employees and their department, the different departments, around 100 employees and their different departments, the finance, the marketing, their age, the years of the company, the performing rate, and the monthly salaries. That is the file that I'm going to use. So first of all, I will use ChatGPT-4 and do analysis with this data. Then what I will do first of all, you have to upload the data. So go ahead and upload the data that you have using this plus sign. So I will use this data. Go ahead and upload it like that. Then remember I am using the ChatGPT-4. This is the model I'm using. It's the one that you buy or subscribe to. So these prompts can work for a complete beginner, or maybe you are good in Python. You don't need to go ahead and write many code lines or in your VS Code and all that. So if you are a complete beginner and you don't know how to use and you don't know how to code or how to write a code, ChatGPT can really help you do that work if you're analyzing your data. So if you know a little bit of Python and you know different types of Python libraries, like for example Panthers, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, you can prompt it using this. So prompt used in ChatGPT, we are using this prompt, and so you have given it your data and you want to use this prompt to perform an explanatory data analysis on the CSV file that you have uploaded here. I want you to do average monthly sales per department, distribution of distribution of the performance rates, then scatter plot of age by monthly sales with trend line, then any other interesting correlations that you can do. So let's say, for example, you don't know any of these libraries, so let's go ahead and delete them. So you can just so that itself will know how to perform the data for you, and will know which library will use. So once you put in the prompts like this, it will go ahead and you click enter. Then you see your data will be uploaded in your ChatGPT. Then you have the prompts down here. It will go ahead and start analyzing your prompts. So once it's done, it will go ahead and explain to you what is going to happen. And now the ChatGPT will give us a Python code here that we want to run on our Google Colab that will help us to find. So here you can see it has already created it has drawn an example or the outline of what is going to happen when you run your code. So it has given you some data here, and you have some explanation down here. So go ahead and tell it to write the Python code, the Python code. I can run on Colab like that. So you click enter, then it will write for you the code. It has given you the explanations up here that you're going to use to analyze your data. But again, you can use this code to run and get the data analyzed and draw some visuals for you. So here is our code already created. So you just click on copy the code, then you go to Google Colab, write Colab, search for it. So it will open up in this browser. Once it's opened, we'll go ahead and run the code there. But we are using Python, so a new notebook like this. It's taking some time, but it will open up. Now, here you have your Google Colab running, but the thing that I want you to understand is we remember we are comparing two languages. Here we have R and we have Python. So here we will check the runtime. Click on the runtime, then come and check change the runtime type. Click on it. Then here you can see the runtime that you have is Python 3. Then we have R and we have Julia, but we want to use Python 3, so that is okay. We want to use a GPU instead of a CPU. If you're using big data, you can use a GPU here, or if you're using just simple data, use a CPU. You can run it locally like that. So once you're done there, seeing there, you can come Control V, upload your code there, then click Shift Enter at the same time to run your code. So your code will start running on your Google Colab to see if ChatGPT gave us a good code that will give us the output. So we have started running our code here. We want to see if it works. So it has requested us to upload the file. So you will go choose the file that you have in your computer so that it can be analyzed. Here it is. Then click open. Then the file will be uploaded there. Then it starts to create for you the drawings. Hey, yeah, it's very nice. You have, as you can see, you have the employee performance, 100% done, saving performance, and all that. It has analyzed your data for you. Let me just scroll this up. Then you can see here you have age versus monthly sales with trend line, scatter plot there. You also have another heat map down here, correlation matrix. You have different code right there. And as we have seen, Python has given us this type of drawings. We can also request it to do more visualization if you want, but as you can see, it has given us a very nice drawings or data visualization here. Now, I want to do the same, but now I will use a different language. I will use R. Now, for us to use R, we will also use ChatGPT-4o with R analysis. So we'll go ahead and give it the prompts that we want it to do for us. So we will go back to our ChatGPT. Then we can request it to give us the code like that. Let's say, for example, we just request it to give us write the same code but using R. So that I can run in Colab like that. Now it will go ahead and write for you the code, but using R, so that you run the same code and see. But what you will do is you will change the runtime, then you will convert it to R to see what happens. So here it is writing the code lines for R language. So once it's done, just go ahead, copy the code, then go back to your Google Colab. Then let's say, for example, I just want to I'll change. Let me delete this code here. Then I'll go to run type. I will change my run type to where is it? Run type. Okay, here. I'll click on it. Then I'll change it to R. Then I will save. Once I save, it changes to run type disconnected. So it will change to R. Then I'll put in the code, then run the code. Then I want to see the outputs. Here are the outputs coming out. Warning message, installing the loading required packages, the tidyverse and all that. So once it's done installing the packages and all the packages that are needed, it will go ahead and start drawing the graphs for us. And we give it some times to do the loading and all that, the packaging and all that. So once it's done, it will load the data that we want to run, but here it's installing the dependencies. It's giving us different We can just scroll it like this. Nice, it's running. You can see it's executing some prompts from the code that we have written up here. We just want to see the differences between R and the Python code, if it's going to give us the same output or which one is written well using ChatGPT-4o. And as well, we can see here we have Python R has drawn the same RAS for us. It has given us the outputs as we expected. And there is the R version, you have it. And so who wins? Python feels more kind of flexible. It's great for custom logic. R is beast for stats and visuals. So you can use R or Python at the same time to visualize your data. So, but let's be real. Thanks to ChatGPT-4, you don't need to master both. Just give it a clear prompt and it writes the code for you. So smash the like button if you learned something new. Drop a comment. Are you Team Python or Team R? Let me know in the comments. So don't forget to subscribe because we are doing more AI versus code breakdowns every week. Catch you in the next. Thank you for watching this video.